Hi, I'm Eric and I'm on my way to the launch site. Today will be the maiden voyage of my do-it-yourself Oru Kayak. For the last 8 months I have been living here in Thailand, near Pattaya, and I'm here to help building this boat. And it will take another 2 months until I get back home to work on my own sailboat. In the meanwhile, I have been working on the prototype for the dinghy for my sailboat. Let's find out how it turned out. Let's try to sit in. Yeah, this is the first time on this kayak. I tried to go to the river, which was my initial destination. And I thought I will go over the sea, but it's a little bit, the sea is a little bit too rough for the first time. I looked at the way to go on foot or to carry the canoe to the kayak over, but it's a long way, so paddling is the correct way this time. And there's a little bit of unsheltered area, and then I can enter again to a sheltered area. And there are some waves. Not all the waves are big, but some of them are like half a meter or so. The boat is quite direction stable, I have to say. It's not turning with every stroke. I can keep the nose a little bit against the waves. Now I can turn towards this sheltered area and then closer to the shore. Oh, now I'm surfing. That's a good feeling. So behind this stone wall there's the river. boat is dry. The bilge has got no water, nearly no water, just a few drips from the paddle. It's really shallow, but for this boat, shallow is fine. I'm now approaching to the beach closest to this stone wall, and I will beach now. I'll get off and see if the river is where I expect it to be and if there is access to it, if I can go on. Now I'm going down already on the riverside. Try to find safe path, but it's not very soft mud here, but it is. Then we have to go a little bit further. Okay. Okay, now we're officially on the river. There's a lot of fishing boats. Yeah, let's wave to the guys. Houses on the stilts. Yeah, it's a pleasure on the river. No waves, very stable. And the view is really nice. Yeah, I like it. Now it gets more like jungle, but it also gets shallower. But I don't think it will be a problem for me. Okay, now there is a rapid. Let's see if this is deep enough for me, and if I can paddle against against the current, against the rapid. But to exclude the panicking, it should be possible. It's also, this is a tidal river. The tide is going out now, therefore it's rapid. At some point the tide should go in, and then it will be easier to go in. And the best, of course, would be if you have the perfect timing and for going in with the tide and also going out with the tide. Okay, I take this, the one with less current. It's a good training. Go against rapid. Now I go down the rapid. The current was a little bit too strong, but it's nice doing paddling here. Now we're going down the rapid again. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm on my way back, and this time I decided that I will go around those stone walls unless the waves are getting too big. But now also the waves are coming straight in, so I'm paddling against the wave, which is a little bit safer. And then I just have to make a turn, and then the wave is more or less from the back. And for the time being, the waves have become a little bit higher, but still manageable. Yeah, we're having some good waves. That means we have to pick the time when we make the turn and go downwind. Now it's like average wave is half a meter. It's time now. And it was successful, I think. Now I have to pick the right entering point, and I think I'm going straight towards it. It's about, how much is it? Maybe 300 meters to go. Wow, flying fish. It was not a flying fish, it was some other fish that was jumping out the water. It's really nice to be out on the sea. There's a reef right in front of me. Luckily I noticed it in time, so I can go around. Oh, now I start surfing slightly. My navigation skills seem to be good enough, because I ended up exactly where I expected to. It's enough for this time. In the next video I will show you how I made this.